Hello, I'm HG, a spokeswoman for this channel. Today's video is a tribute to women of a certain age, who take their morning brew very seriously. They are not looking to quote politicize unquote anything. But look out if they hear about an American company who denigrates Americans and good old American values. That's when they mobilize. These beautiful matures are not afraid to be patriots, to love their country and theirselves. And they reward American companies who feel the same way and operate accordingly. Who doesn't love a cup of joe? So why not support American coffee companies who support fair trade, locally roasted products? What about companies founded by actual veterans, who actively support other veterans and the Second Amendment itself? Well, sign these lovely mature ladies up. Care to know the ladies' recommendations? Scan the QR codes and follow the links in the description box the next time you crave a cup of those beans in a company which affirms our patriotism. It's time to stock up now. Thank you for watching, sweethearts. Please subscribe, watch more of our content and share it across your social media accounts. Until next time, toodles.